Hello, and welcome back to Pocket English, where we help you build your fluency in just a few minutes a day. I am Sarah.
And I am Tom. It is great to have you here. Today, we have a very special lesson designed for everyone who watched the story about Laura. You know the one, where she understands English perfectly, but when she tries to speak, the words just disappear.
Exactly, Tom. That story hits home for so many of us. You listen to English podcasts, you watch movies, and you understand almost everything. But then you open your mouth to speak and you freeze. In the story, Laura's colleague helped her by practicing with simple objects around the office.
That is the key, Sarah. Laura stopped trying to make complex, perfect sentences in her head. She started describing what was right in front of her. She narrated her actions. And today, we are going to do exactly the same thing. We are not just going to talk about it, we are going to do it together.
We are going to build a script for your morning routine. Why the morning? Because it is the only time of day when you are usually alone. It is quiet. It is the perfect time to practice speaking out loud without anyone hearing you. If you can narrate your first 30 minutes of the day in English, you will start your day with a massive win.
Before we start the practice, we need to fix one tiny grammar rule. This is where many learners get stuck. When you are narrating your life as it happens, you do not use the present simple tense. You do not say, I wash my face.
That is right. Present simple is for habits. I wash my face every day. But if you are doing it right now, you need the present continuous. That means using the verb to be plus ing. I am washing my face. I am brushing my teeth.
Think of the ing sound as a signal that the action is alive. It is happening right now. So, for this whole lesson, Sarah and I want you to focus on that ing sound. I am doing, I am making, I am going. Are you ready to try?
Let us imagine it is 7 a.m. You are in your bed. Your eyes open. What is the very first thing you do? You reach over to your phone. Tom, how do we say this in our narration voice?
We say, I am turning off my alarm. Listen closely and repeat after me. I am turning off my alarm.
Perfect. Now do not just listen. Say it out loud. I am turning off my alarm. Great. What happens next? You sit up, you put your feet on the floor, you stand up. So the sentence is, I am getting out of bed.
Let us try that. I am getting out of bed. Notice how we connect the sounds. Getting out. I am getting out of bed.
Now you are moving. You are walking to the bathroom. This is a great chance to practice movement verbs. Tom, lead us through the bathroom routine.
Okay, you are in front of the mirror. You pick up your toothbrush. The sentence is, I am brushing my teeth. Try it. I am brushing my teeth. Now, let us add a feeling. Is the water cold? Is the toothpaste minty? Let us say, the water is cold.
I love that. Adding a simple description makes it feel like a real story. So, putting it together, I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. Now you need to wash your face. Tom, what is the sentence?
I am washing my face. Repeat it with me. I am washing my face. And maybe you are reaching for a towel. I am drying my face.
Excellent. If you are enjoying this easy step-by-step practice, please take a second to subscribe to the channel. We make these lessons so you can practice speaking every single week. When you subscribe, you never miss a chance to train your voice.
Now, Sarah, we are done in the bathroom. We are clean, we are awake. But I need coffee. I cannot start my day without coffee.
Me neither, Tom. Let's move to the kitchen. This is my favorite part of the morning. You walk into the kitchen. What are you doing? I am walking into the kitchen.
You find the kettle. You fill it with water. The sentence is, I am boiling some water. This is a useful one because we boil water for tea, for coffee, for pasta. Repeat it. I am boiling some water.
While the water boils, maybe you take a slice of bread. You put it in the toaster. The sentence is, I am toasting some bread. Or simply, I am making toast. Tom, do you smell that?
Oh yes, the smell of toast and coffee. Let us describe that. We can say, it smells delicious, or it smells good. This is not an action, so we do not use ing here. It is a state. It smells good.
Now the water is hot. You have your favorite mug. You lift the kettle. What are we saying now, Tom?
I am pouring the water. This is a great verb. Pouring. Pouring. I am pouring the coffee. Try to say that sentence as you imagine the hot water hitting the cup. I am pouring the coffee.
And finally, you sit down at your table. You take that first sip. You can say, I am drinking my coffee. And you can add a feeling. I feel happy. I feel ready.
We have a lot of separate sentences now. We have turning off the alarm, brushing teeth, boiling water, pouring coffee. But native speakers do not just say a list of robot sentences. We connect them.
Exactly. To make this sound like a natural story, we need connector words. The 3 magic words for your morning routine are first, then, and after that. Tom, can you show us how to use these to link our bathroom routine?
Definitely. So instead of just short sentences, it sounds like this. First, I am getting out of bed. Then, I am brushing my teeth. After that, I am washing my face.
Do you hear how much smoother that sounds? First, then, after that. It tells the listener the order of your story. Let us try to use these connectors for the kitchen routine. I will start. First, I am boiling some water. Tom, what comes next?
Then, I am pouring the coffee.
And the last part?
After that, I am drinking my coffee, and I feel ready.
Perfect. Now it is a full story. It is a narrative. You are not just naming words, you are speaking fluent English about your own life.
This technique is powerful because you do not need a teacher to do it. You do not need a textbook. You just need your own life. Tomorrow morning when you wake up, I want you to try this. You might feel a little silly talking to yourself while you make toast, but that is okay.
Being a little silly is how we learn. No one is watching. No one is judging. It is just you and your English. If you forget a word, for example, if you forget the word for kettle, just say, I am using the water machine. It does not have to be perfect. The goal is to keep the flow going.
Exactly. Do not stop to look up a word in the dictionary. Just keep talking. Describe the color. Describe the action. Just keep that internal monologue in English.
So, here is our challenge for you. Tomorrow morning, for just the first 10 minutes of your day, try to narrate your actions using the patterns we learned today. Use I am doing, use first, then, and after that.
If you do this, you will notice something amazing. By the time you leave your house or start your work, your brain is already thinking in English. You have already spoken 50 or 60 sentences. You are warmed up.
And if you want to really test yourself, try narrating other parts of your day too. Narrate your commute, narrate your lunch break, narrate your walk to the bus station. The world is your classroom.
Thank you so much for practicing with us today. Remember, fluency does not happen by magic. It happens by narrating the small moments of your life.
If you found this routine helpful, give this video a like so we know to make more everyday practice lessons like this one. And tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you drink in the morning? Coffee, tea, or water? Practice your sentence. I am drinking coffee.
We cannot wait to read your answers. Keep practicing, keep talking, and let your English grow one pocket-sized episode at a time. See you in the next lesson.
Bye for now.